How to replace your countertop cartridges. Remove the housing counterclockwise using the housing wrench. For standard cartridges, take out. For snap-on cartridges, hold and pull up. For threaded cartridges, unscrew counterclockwise. Remove and dispose the used cartridge. Unwrap the new cartridge and insert it back into the housing. Cartridges with O-rings should be positioned near the housing cap. Ensure the housing O-ring is correctly seated. Twist the housing clockwise and tighten using the housing wrench. Do not over-tighten. Turn on the faucet and set the diverter valve horizontally. Run continuously for 3 to 5 minutes to flush out the carbon residue. Drink and breathe fresh with Megafresh.